So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a link to navigation menu on Hostinger website builder. So what you're going to have to do is to click here on pages and navigation. And from here, we can click on add the link. And then here we can link this page to another page or an article. So I can click on save here, have a new link, and this will direct me to this article, right? But of course, you can click on here, just rename, by the way, this page or duplicate this page or hide this page from the navigation. But let's click on link settings and we can change maybe this, link this to a web address, right? So that's how you can add a link to your navigation menu on Hostinger. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have more questions, leave your questions down below. Subscribe for more. And if you have more questions about Hostinger, leave your questions down below or suggestions for the next video. Take care.